correction and little side little strategy I want you guys to always think about as far as overnight gaps. Okay, so when you have your regular trading hours, where you closed, where you settled from, and where the market ran overnight, you want to look for a strategy to fill that overnight gap. That's what you call it, overnight gap fill. That's how the SPY will open, and SPY will be down here, let's say, okay? And there's going to be the gap. So SPY is going to look to fill and then continue whatever it's trying to do. So you want to look for, again, in the morning, one, I told you guys we're under this gamma exposure level now, 4,000, but we want to look for a fill, which look by coincidence is a point of control to where we settled yesterday for the overnight gap fill. And that's what you want to look for every day, is come in and see where the market is opening relative to where it closed off. Let's say here in the morning at 8:30 yesterday as well, when we were at the top, we had another supporting factor to test the bottom, because overnight, where did we settle? Well, we settled up here, about 40.18. When we opened at 8:30, we opened more or less there, but we still went and tested it. We tested through it, but these are little strategies you want to try to implement. For example, here, when we opened here in the morning on the 24th, we're down here in this little cluster area, a lot of big green candles. Other technical reasons are telling you demand. Let's get up. But you had an overnight gap here. And that's one strategy you can implement just within itself for those overnight gap fills. Now, do they happen all the time? No, but if you keep a statistic, they happen about a good, I'd say, 75, 80+% of the time intraday. So you're going to get that fill, and that could be one of your strats to begin. Okay, that's how you can start your mornings.